Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to explain about Scan Kit default view mode in Kotlin and show the integration steps. Huawei Scan Kit helps you to quickly build barcode scanning functionalities into your apps. In this video, we will introduce Scan Kit default view mode in Kotlin. Kotlin is a programming language widely used by Android developers. It is an expressive and concise programming language that reduces common code errors and easily integrates into existing apps. Default view mode scans barcodes using camera or from images in the album and also provides activities that can be directly used. You do not need to worry about designing a UI as HMS Scan Kit provides a UI. Now, let's get coding.
Open Huawei developer website, go to Developer Console, App Gallery Connect, open My Apps. Click on New App. Enter the relevant information. Select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects, select Manually, enter the package name. Enter the package name and save. Set the data storage location and add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download agconnect-services.json file, add agconnect-services.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in App Gallery. Go to Android. Open the project build.gradle file, add the Huawei Maven repository in repositories and add class path. Once it is done, open the app build.gradle file, add agconnect plugin and Huawei Scan Kit dependency in dependencies and sync. Now go to manifest file, add permissions. Go to MainActivity.class, add the button for start scanning. On button click, check the runtime permission for camera and read external storage. Once permission request is granted, call the default view barcode scanning for result using start scan method. Get the scanning result in onActivity for result and show the result.
Let's try it out to do that. Open newly installed app and tap on default view button to open the scanning UI page. Scan the barcode, scanning result is displayed. Now tap on default view button, select the barcode image in the album and scanning result is displayed. And there you go. You have now integrated Huawei Scan Kit default view mode in Kotlin into your app. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.